go first. Good afternoon. Welcome to CBBC. What's that noise? Oh, how bizarre. I hope you're feeling all right. This afternoon we've got loads of Oh, what's that? Wilson, what's that? An Ed case? Nutcase. Oh, see, it's very bizarre. Now, it's obviously the Bitsa prop. Please, this afternoon on CBBC, we've got Orville and Cuddles that will be followed at 4:10. There's a really bizarre noise in here, it's really strange. Lizzie Dripping and the Witch. At 4:25, there is, of course, Teenage Mutant Hero Turtles. The Newsround election special is at 4:45, and at 5:05, we continue the Maid Man and her Merry Men story. But now, Bitsa!
Bits of this, bits of that. Put them all together and what have you got? Bits and pieces, bits and bobs. Put them all together, what a lovely job. With strings and things and loops and glue. You can do whatever you want to do. Bits of this, bits of that. Bits and bits and bits and bits and pieces.